Hey guys, as usual, like, subscribe, Levi Apparel. Levi Apparel. I'm trying to see if I can put this so you guys can see me better so I can just talk. Still holding the camera. Give me a second. Bam. Shop's a little messy. Much better. Much better. Woo-wee. Yesterday we talked about the HBT 100. Um, what's going on? Today I did a live. I did 2 lives today. I'm proud of myself. I did 2. It was by accident. Listen, guys, when you do the OBS, um, always make sure you pay attention to it, because if it looks like you've done everything and they still needs help, go through the steps. I'm gonna do a video on OBS and I'm gonna go to step by step for you guys, because man, today and last few days I haven't been on OBS live on purpose because I got a hiccup, which was basically one little button to press to get it to go to live, and that was, is this content for children or not? And I totally, it it was, so the way they make it, it's like, if you don't click it, it won't it won't appear like it's popping. It fades a little bit into the whole setup section. It doesn't give it to you as a star, like this is recommended, you have to pick one. So because of that, what happened was on the OBS setup, I didn't click any one of them. And I normally click not for children because my content, obviously the machines I have are heavy. To operate them, you have to be an adult, and therefore all my content is not for children. Period. Right? So I didn't even realize that. And then I sat down. I was upset on the live too. I was upset. Um, then I thought to myself, let me go back. Let me go back. I looked at it, looked at it, looked at it. Then something said, what about that button right there? Did you press it? When I clicked not for children, all of a sudden, so in OBS, there's a portion that says um, broadcast, broadcast and exit, um, and none of them were highlighted. Whenever I do OBS, I always do broadcast and um, exit, so that way I exit out the whole thing, and then that way I'm good to go. I get everything started. Now, OBS, you do need 2 separate screens. Um, I just grabbed myself a monitor. I prefer the monitor, although I am seeing something that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And I think I may leave my monitor there and get that set up, so when I'm doing stuff more like it geared towards stuff like in here, I can, come here with it. Now, we still have some stuff going on as far as the camera I have. I'm going to have to take this camera, and one of these days in the morning, like early in the morning, maybe a day I'm not doing a live, just go to like Best Buy and then be like, hey, listen, I need this cable. Do you have it? Because where's my camera? Where's my camera? I have a camera, and that camera, oh my gosh, hold on, where did I put it? I can't even find it. I can't even find it. Well, when I find it, I'll find it. Um, but yeah, so that camera I have, it's a separate camera. It's meant to be in here. That's why I have this right here. So I have that. The camera usually mounts on it, and the main purpose is going to be connected on the live. So as I'm inside the live area, sorry for messing the shop. I've been doing some work for people, and yeah, it's a little messy. But anyways, it's gonna give you a look inside here. So while I'm doing the live out there, and in case I have something being prepped, I can make it. So my whole premise of doing the live is to have a marrying between I guess it. I want to have a marrying between a heat press. I mean, yeah, the heat press, sublimation, all that stuff that I do here, and do content creating by reviewing other channels, news especially, and then I'm gonna make a shirt. That's all I want to do. We're gonna get that going. It's gonna happen. I've done it before. If you go back to my previous lives and my reclips, it's gonna show it to you. So that way, I do the live, I make a shirt, all the content combines into one, right? One. That was two. One. So that's what I want to do. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up update. I got other stuff I gotta do on the other machines. But for now, I'm just focusing on like just today. I did what I needed to do and I'm done. So OBS took a lot of me. As far as the live, I did like I think like an hour and some change live, and so yeah, I'm good. I'm Kapuski right now. So with all that said, there's a lot coming. I got a lot of videos that I'm about to post. Now that especially the live is back on to normal, I'm trying to do a normal time between 11 to 12, right? Or let's say 10 a.m. to like 1 a.m. beginning time, right? It's kind of weird. Which one is it? 10, 11, 12, or 1? When are you starting? So if you look at me between those time frames, I should be starting. And I'm trying to pick which one is the best for me because, you know, obviously I have children and family, so there's things I have to do. So I need to also, I have to, you know, do stuff for, you know, payments of, you know, things I got going on as far as like a real person. And so I need time to call people and do all that stuff. So that's why it's a little bit wonky and like when am I starting? But either way, so between at least minimum 11 to 12 is when I start the live. So check it out and let me know what you think. If you have something you want me to talk about, go to the live and post your comment. Or we just go to the video of the live and post your comment. We got a lot happening. This was just a catch up, letting you know what's going on. More videos are coming with these machines so you guys can ask your questions. More content is coming. More decorative stuff is going to be happening, will happen. So like, subscribe, leave out apparel. I'm out. Thank you guys.